What's up guys, TechSean here back with another video. Finally, the Nothing Phone 1 is in the studio.
Sean, why so much delay?
Well, that's because I'm a South Indian reviewer, right?
Oh, okay.
Escúchame, baby. Dice así.
Here is the retail box of the super hype Nothing Phone 1 from Kalpe, the ex-co-founder of OnePlus, and now founder of Nothing. What I have is the black color model, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage model. Also comes in white, 12GB with 256GB model. With this I also bought the Nothing Phone 1 official case and the Nothing Phone 1 official tempered glass. These are sold separately. Given the size of the box, can you guess what else is missing?
Charger.
Yes, because nothing is free. Frankly, this phone needs no introduction for the hype and controversies it created. So let's unbox and I'll give you my initial impressions about what I personally think about this device. In the box, you have the phone, a SIM tray ejector pin. Wow, it's super creative, like an LED bulb. You know this phone is more about the LED lighting, so I guess this depicts that. Then paperwork, which I'm sure no one is gonna read, as if it's nothing. Then finally the Type-C charger cable. That's about the box. Here is the Nothing Phone 1 Black in all its glory. Definitely no doubt, this phone is a head turner, with its transparent back and the glyph LED lighting, which is its highlight.
Wow.
But you know what? It sure looks like an iPhone, damn it! Yup, you can't avoid saying this looks like an iPhone. Still, this definitely has its own set of uniqueness. As said, mainly because of its transparent back and the glyph LED lighting. This too is what sets this device apart from the boring stereotype Android phones in the market. Apart from the design and lighting aspect of this phone, the rest is usual. There is nothing special. It's just like any regular smartphone in this range. The glyph lighting is something different that you can control from the settings. Set a ringtone, it just syncs to it. Interesting. Flip the phone, DND mode. Charge shows you the battery level. Use it as an LED light while taking photos or videos. But the downside is it's only cool when you keep the device upside down. And you'll have to stick to a transparent case, which again you gotta buy separately for Rs 1500. Anyways, the glyph lighting is something new and might attract youngsters. Overall, the device feels very solid in the hand. To the front, you have the 6.5 inches AMOLED display, a 16 megapixel selfie camera, earpiece which also acts as a speaker. The side frame is aluminum. To the right, you have the power switch, left the volume rocker. Bottom speaker grill, Type-C port, primary mic, and the dual SIM slot. Yes, this supports 12-band 5G. To the top, you have the secondary mic for noise cancellation. Flip, and to the back, you have the dual camera setup with LED flash. In the middle, you have the 15-watt wireless charger coil. A thing to note, sadly, it is not IP68 waterproof, but just IP53. So you can't dunk this phone in water. It can handle just splashes. Anyways, keeping that aside, overall design-wise, definitely impressive. A premium looking smartphone. Alright, here are my initial impressions about the general aspects of the device. Starting off with the display. What you're getting on the Nothing Phone 1 is a 6.5 inches Full HD Plus, HDR10 Plus supported AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. I like the display. Colors are vibrant and it's a bright display. The 120Hz refresh rate just makes everything smooth. The display is flat with no curved edges and has thin equal bezels, which makes it look good. And yep, the glass is Gorilla Glass 5. Comes pre-applied with a screen protector, but it's better to get a tempered glass. There were some reports of green tint issue and dead pixels near the camera cutout, but luckily I didn't see any issues in my unit. Still, have to wait and watch. Alright, next is hardware and performance. What you're getting on this is a Snapdragon 778G Plus bundled with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB UFS 3.1 storage. On the software, it is Android 12 out of the box with Nothing UI. They call it the Nothing OS, which is close to stock Android, with no bloatware, but has Nothing's design customizations, font, color, etc. Nothing guarantees 3 years of software updates. Well, we have to wait and see how that goes. Now, initially there were some hiccups on the software front, but what you guys are seeing here is the UI after the recent update. I find a lot of initial issues and bugs fixed, which is a thing to appreciate. It is smooth, and though the 778G Plus is a mid-level chip, still not to be taken for granted. It is a capable one to handle whatever you throw at it.
आप उसके खिलाफ जाने की जरूरत मत करना साहब।
Everyday usage was a breeze in my initial use. Some of you guys asked me if it has call recording feature on the default dialer. Yes, it does. But do note, when you start and end recording, it alerts that you're recording the call. Now, coming to the gaming, I tried a few titles and it handled it very well, including my very own game, Shan's Treasure Hunt. Alright, another thing to note, on Netflix, HDR is not showing up. Not sure why. On the sensors, all major things are accounted for, including NFC. The in-display fingerprint sensor is super fast. On the speaker, audio is loud enough. Next would be the cameras. Well, the back has a 50 plus 50 megapixel shooter with OIS. And to the front, it is a 16 megapixel shooter. The app has the usual options that you'd expect. Using the rear camera, you can shoot up to 4K 30fps and Full HD 60fps. But the front is limited to Full HD 30fps only. Now, after the recent update, the rear main camera is impressive in good lighting. The ultrawide is still just okay. Could have been better. And the front selfie is good in my opinion. Here are some samples. Next, moving on to battery. What you're getting here is a 4500 mAh battery, and you can easily pull it for a day with no issues. Supports up to 33 watt fast charging, but as said, you gotta buy a separate fast charger. Wireless charging? Yup, you can do that up to 15 watts, and also supports reverse charging up to 5 watts. Here is the complete technical specification overview for your reference. The Nothing Phone 1 costs around Rs 31,999 for the base model. Plus, if needed, 999 for the official tempered glass, 1,500 for the transparent official case, and another 1,500 for the fast charger. Overall, in a market flooded with good Android phones in this range from established brands, I personally feel the Nothing Phone 1 is only for those who are looking for something unique, design and build-wise. No doubt on that. It sure is a standout phone. But we have to wait and see how durable the device will be on the long run given the initial quality control issues. So, what do you guys think? Will you buy the Nothing Phone 1 if you have this budget for its design and glyph lighting? Or will you choose other offerings from Samsung, Realme, Redmi and other brands? Let me know in the comments. So, that's it for this video. Hope you guys found it informative. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys soon in another exciting video. Until then.
What, Shan? You didn't say compact. We all were so eager to see what the compact comparison will be. Please, Compact King, pretty please.
Alright. Well, if I have to say, the size of the Nothing Phone 1 is approximately in the size of a 175 rupees Cadbury Silk Mousse chocolate bar.
Delicious.
Yup, crazy but true. Another exclusive texture comparison.